From far away she looks so good.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another review. Today's video I'm reviewing today is by Sensational in their Butta Lace collection in the style Butta Unit 36. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2% of whether you should be picking Butta Unit 36 up. Let's go.
That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go.
The unit does come with standard cap side with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps. It is a middle part. Before we go ahead and manipulate the unit, let's go ahead and put it on to see what it looks like fresh out the pack.
10 feet away, she's like a primrose.
It does appear to come pre-plucked.
So come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice.
But the lace is a little bit ashy, so I need to go ahead and tint it. I'm going with my scissors and go ahead and cut the lace and then add some tint spray to it. Go ahead and tint the lace, add some color to it using the even lace spray. It was a little bit too big on my head when I first tried it, so I will attempt to do a glueless install by connecting the 2 adjustable straps together in hopes that it'll fit a bit snug on my head. Now if you suffer from headaches, I wouldn't advise you doing this because it will hurt. So since I do suffer from headaches, but since I'm only doing this for the review, I could stand it for the short space of time. So let's go ahead and put it on. Now that we've installed the wig, let's go ahead and get ready to style the wig. Right here I'm just using the hot comb just to flatten the middle part because it does have a bit of humps.
Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. And maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. But we're not who we used to be.
I attempted to do a glueless, but because it's not laying down how I like it, I'm going on in with some hairspray just to lay down just a little bit, just in the very front next to the middle part.
We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. Sometimes I'm alone, I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself
now you watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about my thoughts on the unit. Again, the unit that I have is Sensational Butta Unit 36. I have the unit in the color Balayage Mocha. The unit is a middle part. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It does come with a virtually undetectable HG lace, blends well with most skin tones, air-to-air lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand type partner area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, natural density HD lace. So what do I think about the unit? Overall, I love the unit, but does shed, does tangle. Okay, both. It sheds and it tangles, and it is big head friendly. Yeah, big head friendly. So I connected, you know, when I do my wig reviews, I try not to lay it down any adhesive or anything, because I feel like if I'm running through them left and right, and no sense in 1, messing up my forehead with these chemicals, and 2, messing up my hairline with the chemicals, and 3, if I could wear it glueless, why not? So I attempted to do this one glueless. I connected the adjustable strap together, which I typically do, and child, I still had to lay down this stuff. Still had to lay it down, okay? So just be mindful that this one is beginner friendly, and it may or may not be beginner friendly. You may need some kind of skill to do a situation in the front, you know, get the front laid down, or else it's just gonna be like, or you could probably try wearing 2 wig caps, which might be hot, so at your discretion. Not mine, yours. So yeah, but it was still very big in the front. I still felt like I had to, you know, at least lay it down with some hairspray. Overall, what I think about the unit, I love the color of this unit. I love the color of this unit. Again, the color I have is Balayage Mocha. It's giving summertime outside. That's what it's giving me. Summertime, I need to be outside in, not by the swimming pool, because ain't nobody going to my swimming pool looking like this. I don't know where we're gonna go with it. Maybe out to eat. Yeah, it's giving dinner dates with babes. Yeah, that's what it's giving. So yeah, I love this unit. Love this unit. I really love the colors, how it's placed in the unit. Love it. So this is what it looks like. Does it tangle? I already said it tangle. I already said it sheds. It is a middle part. You probably could move it left and right and do some Jimmy flicks to it, but I already reviewed today. I already reviewed 4 wigs, and they all were placed on the left. Yeah, it was a left side part, so like, I'm not moving this left or right. It's gonna stay in the middle part. That's how they sold it, and I needed a change. I don't need all my parts on the left. I still don't know if I like the left part, by the way. So we'll see. One day I'm gonna try to remember which side I liked it, if it's left or right. But until then, I don't remember, so I'm gonna just roll. If it looked cute, I'm gonna say it looked cute. Like this one. This one looked cute, and I think I should give this one. So yeah, stock card. Does it look like a stock card? It definitely does look like a stock card. She is not a catfish. She looked just like the stock card. So this is the stock card, and this is me next to the stock card. No catfish in here. So yeah, it tangled, and now it made me look like a liar. So I guess I scratched that. It don't tingle, it just sheds. Oh, okay, I know it tingled. I know I'm not crazy. It does tingle just a little bit, and it does shed a whole lot. The shedding is a lot. The tangles not so much. Does it have flyaways? Oh yes, ma'am, it does. Sticking all to my lip gloss. Definitely got some flyaways. A lot of flyaways. So be mindful of that. You probably use some hairspray just to lay the hair down in place where you want it, and hopefully it doesn't fly onto your makeup, your face, and your lip gloss. But that's all I have for this week review. So if you got to the end of the video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.